Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tija. Every week, I drop videos here on how to analyze your data using Microsoft Excel, SQL, or Power BI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a dynamic column chart or a dynamic bar chart with using Microsoft Excel. Yes, I'll show you how you can make your column chart change colors based on values, or you can make your bar chart change colors based on values. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, hit on like, drop a comment, and share the link with your network. So let's go into today's video. We are going to load our data set into our Power Pivot new worksheet. So you want to check which delivery company have the highest units sold. So you bring delivery company here. So you bring the units sold this way. So I don't like seeing this grid line. I don't know. I don't just like seeing it. So I'll take it off. Take off the grid line. You can quickly format this. It's optional. Formatting is optional. So before we can make our column chart change color based on values, we need to bring out our values from the Power Pivot. You don't need to be on the Power Pivot. You are going to bring it out from the Power Pivot and create it separately from the Power Pivot. So I'll give this a name like company and a unit sold. So we drag this here and bring this down. Okay, can quickly format this. Again, this is optional. This is optional. So let's quickly create our chart. So you go to the insert, commented chart, give it this. So forget the y-axis starting at 0. Our formula is going to adjust that. So just forget this. So let's only give it top 1. So we are trying to visualize the delivery company that have the highest units sold. The top one delivery company that have the highest units sold. If you are to visualize the top 2, you change the top 1 to top 2, change this to 2. If you are to visualize 3, you change it to 3, and so on. So we are to visualize top 1. So we quickly enter our formula. Don't worry about the formula. I'll drop the formula in the description in this video. I'm going to drop the formula there for you. Don't just worry about the formula. Let me quickly type in the formula. Okay, so we finish typing our formula. We are going to drag it down drag it down. So we have the highest value there. We're going to format it. Again, this is optional. Formatting it is optional. So since we've done that, so let's quickly make it dynamic. So you click on the chart you just finished creating. This chart, click on it. You right click on select data. You click on add. So our series name is going to be top one. It's going to be our series name. So click on this icon, click on top one, click on it. Our series values is going to be this. It's going to be this. So click on this. We highlight from here to here, right? We click on this. So you've seen the y-axis have been sorted out. You've seen that. So you click on OK, click on OK. So let's quickly format it. So you click on this orange color, this, not the blue color. Click on this orange color and click on Control 1. Sorry. Click on this and click on Control 1. So what are you going to do here now? So we are going to adjust this to, we are going to adjust this to 100. Series overlap, we adjust it to 100. We have it at 100. The gap width, you can play along with it. So let's try 50, 50, 50. Okay, 50 is okay. So let's quickly fill it out with color. So the highest value, which is USPS, let's change our color. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. Our border should be the same with that. Okay. Since UPS is not the highest delivery company, so let's give it border to be black. Give it black border. Our fill is white. Move on to the next one, FedEx. We give it black. Our fill is white. Move on. White. Our border is black. So let's quickly do some formatting here. The x-axis, let's quickly format that. Can bring it, let's adjust it to, that's too small. 7 is okay. We want black. So this. So remember consistency 7. Make that black. Okay, so we don't need this grid line. Take it off. So you come to the format tab. We don't need fill. We don't need outline. For the chart, go back to our format. We don't need fill. We don't need outline. So we don't need this line under here. At as the x-axis, we don't need that line. We say line, no line. We don't need it. It's optional though. It's optional. All right. So let's do some aesthetic design here. So you can quickly click on this. You come to the fill. You say fill pattern. So pick any of this color. So you can play along with this and pick any color of your choice. Pick any color of your choice. Pick any color of your choice. So I'll go with this. I'll go with this. Just play along with it and pick any color of your choice, though. Just follow along with you and pick any color of your choice. So since we have done with that, let's bring in our slicer to really confirm if what we've done is correct. So to bring in your slicer, you don't need to click on this. You rather click on your pivot table to bring in your slicer. You go to insert, you go to slicer, you click on month, right? You click on date or calendar, anything you want to use it to filter, but not delivery company. You can't use delivery company to filter delivery company, right? Okay, put on this. So let's quickly check. Let me keep that here. So let's go with our slicer. Let's check for January. Okay, so see what we have here. So let's quickly fix this. Control 1. So let me do that so you can see what I'm really doing. Control 1. So you say white, border should be black. All right, so we fix that. So let's clear our filter. So let's start again for January. So the company with the highest sales units sold is USPS for the month of January. For the month of February, we have USPS. You can see a USPS highest unit sold. The month of March, USPS with highest unit sold. In the month of April, DHL have the highest unit sold. So you can see the DHL have the highest unit sold. The month of May, you went back to USPS. The month of July, the month of June, USPS. The month of July, DHL. It seems the USPS and DHL are doing competition. The month of August, went back again to USPS. September, DHL. October, USPS. November, FedEx. And December again, FedEx. So that is how to carry out a dynamic chart using Microsoft Excel. So this one to be easier for your stakeholder to easily identify the delivery company that have the highest unit sold. It be easier for your stakeholders to identify. To be very, very easy for your stakeholders to identify that. So this is how to create a dynamic chart using Microsoft Excel. Thank you for staying tuned till the end of this video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do that. Hit on the subscribe button, hit on like, drop a comment, tell me what you feel about this video, share the link with your network. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.